Surah Al-Mu'minun, the believers. This surah is Meccan, containing 6 sections and 118 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
قد أفلح المؤمنون.
Certainly the believers have succeeded.
الذين هم في صلاتهم خاشعون.
Those who are deeply humble in prayers.
والذين هم عن اللغو معرضون.
Those who refrain from futile activities.
والذين هم للزكاة فاعلون.
Those who pay the zakat.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون.
And those who protect their chastity.
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين.
Except from their wives or those maidservants whom they rightfully own, for they are not blameworthy.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون.
But those who desire other than them, they are transgressors.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون.
And the believers are those who guard their entrusted items and fulfill their oaths.
والذين هم على صلواتهم يحافظون.
And who guard their prayers.
أولئك هم الوارثون.
Those very people are the inheritors.
الذين يرثون الفردوس هم فيها خالدون.
Those who will inherit paradise, they will reside therein forever.
ولقد خلقنا الإنسان من سلالة من طين.
We certainly created man from chosen soil.
ثم جعلناه نطفة في قرار مكين.
Then we made him a droplet in a strong abode.
ثم خلقنا النطفة علقة فخلقنا العلقة مضغة فخلقنا المضغة عظاما فكسونا العظام لحما ثم أنشأناه خلقا آخر فتبارك الله أحسن الخالقين.
Then we made the droplet into congealed blood. Then we made the congealed blood into a lump of flesh. Then we made the lump of flesh into bones. Then we covered the bones with flesh. And then we made him in a different form. So Allah is the possessor of infinite blessings, the best creator.
ثم إنكم بعد ذلك لميتون.
Then after that you will certainly die.
ثم إنكم يوم القيامة تبعثون.
Then all of you will be raised on the day of judgment.
ولقد خلقنا فوقكم 7 طرائق وما كنا عن الخلق غافلين.
And we certainly created 7 paths above you, and we are not unaware of the creation.
وأنزلنا من السماء ماء بقدر فأسكناه في الأرض وإنا على ذهاب به لقادرون.
And we sent down water from the sky with a specific measure. Then we caused it to remain in the earth. And surely we have the power to take it away.
فأنشأنا لكم به جنات من نخيل وأعناب لكم فيها فواكه كثيرة ومنها تأكلون.
So with it, we created gardens of date palms and grapes. For you there are many fruits therein, and you eat from them.
وشجرة تخرج من طور سيناء تنبت بالدهن وصبغ للآكلين.
And a tree which comes out of Mount Sinai, it produces oil and a condiment for those who eat.
وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ لَعِبْرَةً نُسْقِيكُم مِّمَّا فِي بُطُونِهَا وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ كَثِيرَةٌ وَمِنْهَا تَأْكُلُونَ.
And for you there is a point of contemplation in the livestock. We make you drink from that which is in their bellies. And for you there are many benefits in them, and you eat from them.
وعليها وعلى الفلك تحملون.
And you are carried upon them and upon ships.
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا إلى قومه فقال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
We sent Nuh to his nation, so he said, O my nation, worship Allah. There is no God for you other than Him. So do you not fear?
فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يريد أن يتفضل عليكم ولو شاء الله لأنزل ملائكة ما سمعنا بهذا في آبائنا الأولين.
So the disbelieving chiefs from the nation said, He is but a human like you, who seeks excellence over you. And had Allah willed, He would have sent down angels. We did not hear this among our forefathers.
إن هو إلا رجل به جنة فتربصوا به حتى حين.
This is only a man possessed, so wait on him for a while.
قال رب انصرني بما كذبون.
He, Nuh, said, O my Lord, help me as they have denied me.
فأوحينا إليه أن اصنع الفلك بأعيننا ووحينا فإذا جاء أمرنا وفارت النور فاسلك فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول منهم ولا تخاطبني في الذين ظلموا إنهم مغرقون.
So we sent a revelation to him. Build the ark before us and with our command. So when our command comes and the oven boils, send aboard 2 from every pair, and your family except those upon whom judgment has already passed among them, and do not plead to me for the oppressors, for they are to be drowned.
فإذا استويت أنت ومن معك على الفلك فقل الحمد لله الذي نجانا من القوم الظالمين.
So when you and those who are with you settle on the ark, then say, all praise belongs to Allah who granted us salvation from the nation of oppressors.
وقل رب أنزلني منزلا مباركا وأنت خير المنزلين.
And say, O my Lord, let me disembark at a blessed place, and you are the best of those who brings to land.
إن في ذلك لآيات وإن كنا لمبتلين.
Indeed, there are signs in this, and we are certainly testing people.
ثم أنشأنا من بعدهم قرنا آخرين.
Then we created another nation, Ad after them.
فأرسلنا فيهم رسولا منهم أن اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
So we sent within them a messenger from them saying, Worship Allah, you have no God other than Him. So do you not fear Allah?
وقال الملأ من قومه الذين كفروا وكذبوا بلقاء الآخرة وأترفناهم في الحياة الدنيا ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يأكل مما تأكلون منه ويشرب مما تشربون.
The chiefs of his nation who disbelieved and denied the meeting of the hereafter, and whom we had granted affluence in the life of this world, said, He is but a man like you. He eats from what you eat and drinks from what you drink.
وَلَئِنْ أَطَعْتُمْ بَشَرًا مِثْلَكُمْ إِنَّكُمْ إِذًا لَخَاسِرُونَ.
And if you obey a man like yourselves, you will certainly be losers.
أَيَعِدُكُمْ أَنَّكُمْ إِذَا مِتُّمْ وَكُنْتُمْ تُرَابًا وَعِظَامًا أَنَّكُمْ مُخْرَجُونَ.
Does he promise you that when you will die and you will become dust and bones, then you will be resurrected?
هَيْهَاتَ هَيْهَاتَ لِمَا تُوعَدُونَ.
That which you are promised is far-fetched, far-fetched.
إِنْ هِيَ إِلَّا حَيَاتُنَا الدُّنْيَا نَمُوتُ وَنَحْيَا وَمَا نَحْنُ بِمَبْعُوثِينَ.
Life is merely our life of this world. We die and we live, and we will not be raised.
إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا رَجُلٌ افْتَرَى عَلَى اللَّهِ كَذِبًا وَمَا نَحْنُ لَهُ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ.
He is only a man who ascribed a lie to Allah, and we do not believe in him.
قال رب انصرني بما كذبون.
He who said, O my Lord, help me as they have denied me.
قال عما قليل ليصبحن نادمين.
He, Allah, said, in a little while they will most definitely become those who regret.
فأخذتهم الصيحة بالحق فجعلناهم غثاء فبعدا للقوم الظالمين.
So the true cry seized them. Then we made them into discarded dry grass. So deprivation for the oppressive nation.
ثم أنشأنا من بعدهم قرونا آخرين.
Then we created other nations after them.
ما تسبق من أمة أجلها وما يستأخرون.
No nation hastens its term nor defers it.
ثم أرسلنا رسلنا تترى كلما جاء أمة رسولها كذبوه فأتبعنا بعضهم بعضا وجعلناهم أحاديث فبعدا لقوم لا يؤمنون.
Then we sent our messengers continuously. Every time there came to a nation its messenger, they denied him. So we combined some with others, and we made them tales of the past. So deprivation for the disbelieving nation.
ثم أرسلنا موسى وأخاه هارون بآياتنا وسلطان مبين.
Then we sent Musa and his brother Harun with our verses and clear proof
إلى فرعون وملئه فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما عالين.
to Pharaoh and his courtiers. Then they resorted to arrogance, and they were a nation who had attained dominance.
فقالوا أنؤمن لبشرين مثلنا وقومهما لنا عابدون.
So they said, shall we believe in two men like us while their nation is subservient to us?
فكذبوهما فكانوا من المهلكين.
So they denied both of them. Then they became among the destroyed.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب لعلهم يهتدون.
And we certainly granted Musa the book that they, i.e., the Israelites, may attain guidance.
وجعلنا ابن مريم وأمه آية وآويناهما إلى ربوة ذات قرار ومعين.
And we made the son of Maryam and his mother a sign. We made them settle in a high land, habitable and having flowing water.
يا أيها الرسل كلوا من الطيبات واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون عليم.
O messengers, eat from the pure things and do righteous deeds. Indeed, I know all that you do.
وإن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاتقون.
And surely this religion of yours is one religion, and I am your Lord, so fear me.
فتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم زبرا كل حزب بما لديهم فرحون.
So the nations broke their religion into pieces among themselves. Every group is happy with what it has.
فذرهم في غمرتهم حتى حين.
So leave them in their misguidance for a while.
أيحسبون أن ما نمدهم به من مال وبنين
So are they thinking that we help them with wealth and sons?
نسارع لهم في الخيرات بل لا يشعرون
That we hasten goodness for them? Rather they do not perceive.
إن الذين هم من خشية ربهم مشفقون
Indeed, those who are in awe of their Lord,
والذين هم بآيات ربهم يؤمنون
and those who believe in the verses of their Lord,
والذين هم بربهم لا يشركون
and those who do not ascribe partners to their Lord,
والذين يؤتون ما آتوا وقلوبهم وجلة أنهم إلى ربهم راجعون
and those who give whatever they give while their hearts are in awe that they will return to their Lord.
أولئك يسارعون في الخيرات وهم لها سابقون
It is they who hasten towards good action, and they surpass in reward.
ولا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها ولدينا كتاب ينطق بالحق وهم لا يظلمون
And we do not burden a life beyond its capability, and we have a book which states the truth, and they will not be oppressed.
بل قلوبهم في غمرة من هذا ولهم أعمال من دون ذلك هم لها عاملون
Rather there, i.e., disbelievers' hearts are in ignorance of this, i.e., Quran, and they have deeds other than that which they are doing.
حتى إذا أخذنا مترفيهم بالعذاب إذا هم يجأرون
Until when we seized their affluent people with punishment, they then began to plead,
لا تجأروا اليوم إنكم منا لا تنصرون
Do not plead on this day. Indeed, you will not be helped by us.
قد كانت آياتي تتلى عليكم فكنتم على أعقابكم تنكصون
My verses were certainly recited to you. Then you turned away upon your heels,
مستكبرين به سامرا تهجرون
expressing arrogance with the service of the sacred Kaaba, speaking idly by night, rejecting the truth.
أفلم يدبروا القول أم جاءهم ما لم يأت آباءهم الأولين
Did they not reflect upon the word Quran? Or has there come to them that which had not come to their forefathers?
أم لم يعرفوا رسولهم فهم له منكرون
Or have they not recognized their messenger, so they are denying him?
أم يقولون به جنة بل جاءهم بالحق وأكثرهم للحق كارهون
Or they say that he is insane. Rather, he has come to them with the truth, and most of them detest the truth.
ولو اتبع الحق أهواءهم لفسدت السماوات والأرض ومن فيهن بل أتيناهم بذكرهم فهم عن ذكرهم معرضون.
And if the truth had adhered to their desires, the heavens and the earth and all those therein would certainly have been destroyed. Rather, we have brought to them their advice, so they have turned away from their advice.
أم تسألهم خرجا فخراج ربك خير وهو خير الرازقين.
Do you seek some recompense from them? So the recompense of your Lord is best, and He is the best of providers.
وإنك لتدعوهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
And indeed you call them to the straight path.
وإن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة عن الصراط لناكبون.
And indeed those who do not believe in the hereafter have certainly strayed from the straight path.
ولو رحمناهم وكشفنا ما بهم من ضر للجوا في طغيانهم يعمهون.
And if we had mercy on them and removed the calamity which had befallen them, they would certainly have become obstinate, blindly wandering in their transgression.
ولقد أخذناهم بالعذاب فما استكانوا لربهم وما يتضرعون.
And we have certainly seized them with punishment, so they did not submit to their Lord in the past, and they are not being humble now.
حتى إذا فتحنا عليهم بابا ذا عذاب شديد إذا هم فيه مبلسون.
Until when we open for them a door of extreme punishment, they are then without hope therein.
وهو الذي أنشأ لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
And it is He who created ears and eyes and hearts for you. You express very little gratitude.
وهو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
And it is He who spread you in the earth, and to Him you will be raised.
وهو الذي يحيي ويميت وله اختلاف الليل والنهار أفلا تعقلون.
And it is He who gives life and causes death, and the alternation of the night and the day belong to Him. Do you not understand?
بل قالوا مثل ما قال الأولون.
Rather, they said what the earlier people said.
قالوا أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
They said, when we have died and become dust and bones, will we then be resurrected?
لقد وعدنا نحن وآباؤنا هذا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
We and our forefathers previously were warned of this. These are only fabricated accounts of previous nations.
قل لمن الأرض ومن فيها إن كنتم تعلمون.
Say, to whom belongs the earth and whatever is therein, if you know?
سيقولون لله قل أفلا تذكرون.
Now they will say, to Allah, say, do you not accept advice?
قل من رب السماوات السبع ورب العرش العظيم.
Say, who is the Lord of the seven heavens and the Lord of the supreme throne?
سيقولون لله قل أفلا تتقون.
Now they will say, for Allah, say, do you not fear Allah?
قل من بيده ملكوت كل شيء وهو يجير ولا يجار عليه إن كنتم تعلمون.
Say, in whose hand power is the ownership of everything, and he grants refuge, and refuge cannot be given against him if you know.
سيقولون لله قل فأنى تسحرون.
Now they will say, for Allah, say, so how are you bewitched?
بل أتيناهم بالحق وإنهم لكاذبون.
Rather, we brought the truth to them, and indeed they are liars.
ما اتخذ الله من ولد وما كان معه من إله إذا لذهب كل إله بما خلق إذا لذهب كل إله بما خلق ولعلى بعضهم على بعض سبحان الله عما يصفون.
Allah has not taken a son, and there is no God with him, for then every God would take that which he created, and certainly some would seek ascendancy over others. Allah is pure from what they ascribe to him.
عالم الغيب والشهادة فتعالى عما يشركون.
Allah is the knower of the concealed and the apparent, so he is exalted above what they ascribe as partners.
قل رب إما تريني ما يوعدون.
Say, O my Lord, if you show me what they are promised,
رب فلا تجعلني في القوم الظالمين.
O my Lord, do not make me among the nation of oppressors.
وإنا على أن نريك ما نعدهم لقادرون.
Indeed, we are able to show you what we are promising them.
ادفع بالتي هي أحسن السيئة نحن أعلم بما يصفون.
Repel evil with the best of good deeds. We know best what they are stating.
وقل رب أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين.
And say, O my Lord, I seek your protection from the whispers of the devils.
وأعوذ بك رب أن يحضرون.
And I seek your protection, my Lord, from this that they come to me.
حتى إذا جاء أحدهم الموت قال رب ارجعون.
Until when death comes to one of them, he says, O my Lord, return me.
لعلي أعمل صالحا فيما تركت كلا إنها كلمة هو قائلها ومن ورائهم برزخ إلى يوم يبعثون.
Perhaps I will now do some righteous deeds in that world which I left. Never. This is just a statement which he is saying. And there is a barrier in front of them until the day they will be resurrected.
فإذا نفخ في الصور فلا أنساب بينهم يومئذ ولا يتساءلون.
So when the horn will be blown, then there will neither be relations among them that day, nor will they ask one another.
فمن ثقلت موازينه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
So those whose scales will be heavy, then they will be successful.
ومن خفت موازينه فأولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم في جهنم خالدون.
And those whose scales are light, they are those who have ruined their lives. They will remain in hell forever.
تلفح وجوههم النار وهم فيها كالحون.
The fire will burn their faces and they will be scowling therein.
ألم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فكنتم بها تكذبون.
Were my verses not recited to you, so you used to deny them?
قالوا ربنا غلبت علينا شقوتنا وكنا قوما ضالين.
They will say, "O our Lord, our misfortune prevailed over us, and we were a misguided nation."
ربنا أخرجنا منها فإن عدنا فإنا ظالمون.
O our Lord, remove us from hell. Then if we return to evil, indeed we will be oppressors.
قال اخسئوا فيها ولا تكلمون.
He, Allah, will say, "Remain rejected therein, and do not speak to me."
إنه كان فريق من عبادي يقولون ربنا آمنا فاغفر لنا وارحمنا وأنت خير الراحمين.
Indeed, a group from my people used to say, "O our Lord, we believe, so forgive us and have mercy on us, and you are the most merciful of the merciful."
فاتخذتموهم سخريا حتى أنسوكم ذكري وكنتم منهم تضحكون.
So you took them in mockery until they, mocking them, caused you to forget my remembrance, and you used to laugh at them.
إني جزيتهم اليوم بما صبروا أنهم هم الفائزون.
Indeed, today I have recompensed them for their patience that they are prosperous.
قال كم لبثتم في الأرض عدد سنين.
He, Allah, will say, "How many years did you stay in the earth?"
قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم فاسأل العادين.
They will say, we stayed for a day or part of a day, so ask those who calculate.
قال إن لبثتم إلا قليلا لو أنكم كنتم تعلمون.
He, Allah, will say, you only stayed for a little while, if only you knew.
أفحسبتم أنما خلقناكم عبثا وأنكم إلينا لا ترجعون.
Do you think that we have created you without purpose and that you will not be returned to us?
فتعالى الله الملك الحق لا إله إلا هو رب العرش الكريم.
So Allah, the true King, is most high. There is no God but Him. He is the Lord of the revered throne.
ومن يدع مع الله إلها آخر لا برهان له به فإنما حسابه عند ربه إنه لا يفلح الكافرون.
And whosoever worships another God with Allah for whom he has no proof, then his accountability is only with his Lord. The disbelievers will not succeed.
وقل رب اغفر وارحم وأنت خير الراحمين.
And say, O my Lord, forgive and have mercy, and you are the best of the merciful.